This is Qantas Airways, QAN, on the Australian Stock Exchange. I did a video in July about this stock when there was some really bad news had come out and there was downgrades and I was looking for an entry to go long. I just want to recap the video. In the first video I spoke about the gap down we had here when it opened up around late July. And I noticed as we got further down here, this was the day that there was large downgrades in the stock, and I noticed this massive amount of volume come in, over 90 million. And I was on the alert for a trade setup from that, because after I saw the stock take off over the next few days, I knew that this was buying by bigger banks and institutions. Now, when I left the last video, it was starting to come down into this area, and what I'd noticed was the volume had started to fall off. Now, as you can see, a couple of weeks later we came down to this area, which was in the same area as this large bar over here where we had the big volume, and we had obviously no volume down in this area. It had fallen right off, and then you see this spike in volume here was when they came in again and started to raise the price, and from then we've obviously started to move up, and then each time it's had a small retracement we've had buyers further coming in, and you can see it again up here, more buyers coming in. So they've been getting in on the dips, and as you can see, it's taken off. So back in July it was down around the dollar mark. It's now at $1.50. This stock's looking great. We've closed that gap. If we can see some sort of retrace and then further move up, we'll be even looking better. This is just a quick look at the weekly of Qantas. You can see we're in a downtrend. We had the three hits on this trend line, and as you can see, when I spoke earlier about back in July, we came down and hit it again. Now the good thing here was we practically had that double bottom, and then as I've explained, it's taken off. Now in most cases, downtrend channels like this will break to the upside. So if this stock does continue to come up and we come back and retest the top of this trend line, we are looking to move further up, and probably somewhere up around all these highs. So there's possibly some good upside from Qantas. This stock has been a lot higher in the past, and as you can see on the weekly, look at this volume, 90 million. We're going back 4 or 5 years. We haven't seen anything like that volume. This is big institutions getting in. They've got in at $1, and they want to get, somewhere up here before they'll get out. Thanks.